So guys, this is the aftermath of the demolition in Bungoma. So please, if you're watching this, is Humphrey Jones. Subscribe please. So let me take you through what has just happened in Bungoma as you enjoy my video. Bungoma, in terms of business, is a no way, guys. So let me show you. People have been displaced. Even this one needs to be brought down. There's an Hetias drapers. So residents have started protests along the highways, which I'm just going to take you and show you. So let's see what has just happened here now. See what Mfutu looks like. So please subscribe. I want to take you up to where the protest is. Huko kunatia gas kama zote. So let me show you how the stage looks like now. Just see. Hapo kote walibomoa. Let me take you through here so that you can understand. Kumbe Bungoma kumechemka. Protest is all over. Let me show you here. You see here? Nobody is here. Nobody is here. Just see. Zile ziko zimejengwa hapa zote. The stage is just open. Nataka niwaonyeshe mpaka hapa mbele and then sasa tuende penye kuna maandamano sasa. I told you. Maana penye hapa kumebomolewa. Canteens are all over here. So this is Humphrey Jones. We are in Bungoma. Let's see. Oh, neighbors. I told you guys neighbors was to be brought. I don't know what happened. But just see what has just happened here. Just see what has just happened here. The houses that were here, everything down. So this is the aftermath of the demolition. No business in Bungoma. Investment has gone down. Revenue has gone down. I don't know what will be happening next. Just see. Acha nionyeshe paka pale mbele. Alafu napeleke penye kuna maandamano. Just see here. Stage inaonekana. So please guys, let's tune onto our protest video. Let me end this video from here. Saizi hapa huwezi potea town sasa. Ukisema tu niko stage, tunakuona hata nikuwa mbali. Hapa ni saizi ya Total. For those who know Total in Bungoma. Kuna hivyo. So please let's meet onto the protest video. Bye bye.